What's up, YouTube family? So today I got a few goodies I'm going to be putting on the car today. I'm talking hopefully the acuity shift knob, because I have to get a pry tool in order to get this dash up. We're definitely putting on some Type R Honda red emblems on the outside of the car on the steering wheel, and we have some HFP floor mats we're going to put in, some carbon fiber door handles. So it's going to be a pretty exciting day. So let's get to it. I might do it in a couple separate videos just to show you guys how to do it and how it looks. So let's go ahead and get started. So I got my dad here. Say hello to Mr. Petrol Juice here.
Hello, Mr. Petrol Juice.
So we're going to get those pry tools, that way we can go ahead and install that Acuity Poco shift knob. So we'll keep you guys updated. All right, so we got our plastic pry tool. So I'm gonna do a couple separate videos. So today, I'm just gonna give the car a nice little wash. It's a little dirty. And we're gonna go ahead and install these Type R red emblems. And I'll go ahead and show you guys how to do that. And of course, we still have the gorgeous M3. We had the wheels refurbished here. So we got them refinished actually in the original factory color. Look amazing. And she's looking clean as ever. All right, guys, so we got a lot of goodies we're putting on today. So hopefully in a different video, I'm gonna be putting on this Acuity Poco short shift knob. That's gonna be a fun one to do. Next, we have the red OEM Honda HFP floor mats. We also have the genuine Honda Type R emblems. That's gonna go on the outside, and got this for the steering wheel. I'm gonna keep these links all in the descriptions. That way you guys can grab them if you want. And we also have some little goodies here. We have valve stem caps with the red H. We have this key ring, and we also have obviously faux carbon fiber, fake carbon fiber door handles, but they're gonna look good, and I do plan on wrapping the car soon, so it's gonna look really, really nice. So let's go ahead and show you guys how to put these on. All right, so first things first, the link's gonna be in the description to grab a set of one of these, and you're gonna need a pry tool, preferably plastics, that way you can get behind this. So usually you wanna put a credit card or something flat through, so that way you can lift this up. There's gonna be two prongs here that's gonna be attached to the car. So just try to be careful and not snap it, because they could get stuck in the car, and I'll show you guys how to do that. All right, so what I did was, I tried to get under a little bit, and I put one like any other car that you have available that you can stick under, so that way it stays up. Like I said, there's two prongs. That's your main thing, or your main goal, trying to get up. So let's go ahead and try to get this done. Woo! Almost got both. That was pretty successful. A lot of people break these on YouTube, so let's try to get this bad boy out. All right, so thanks to Mr. Petrol Juice here, he got that little piece out. So we just used two tiny T20 Torx screws and kind of just pried it out until it was out. So next thing you're gonna wanna do is go ahead and unravel this. There's gonna be two prongs, and this whole back here is gonna be 3M vinyl tape. And then you're also gonna want to clean this off here. Action! All right, so first thing you wanna do, let's take off the two back prong covers here. Basically, you're gonna line it onto there. First thing you wanna do is take off the 3M tape. And yeah, it's pretty dry in the back. And here's where the magic happens. Once you get it in, boom. You do Honda. Go ahead and take care of the front now. All right, guys, this is the JS Racing Honda emblem. It comes in the package that I have in the description below, where you can order all the emblems together. Obviously, this isn't OEM, but hey, it does the job. So this is just an adhesive that goes right onto the back of this, or the front. So all you have to do is clean the surface, which I've done before. Again, you should want to use isopropyl alcohol to clean everything, so that way everything's nice and clean and everything sticks correctly. And you just want to position it as best as possible. Woo! Scared me. Take this off. Boom. There you go. You got a red emblem on your steering wheel. Looks pretty good. All right, guys, this is another thing I'll have in the description here, just a little extra. This is just a nice little thing to put on your Civic, just the valve stem caps as you're rolling. You know, you have the red going on, and as it's sitting, people can notice it. Just something nice and extra that you can dress up your Civic with.
And that's how you do it.
All right, guys, so as we're going at it, this is how the car stands so far. Got the valve stem caps, the red Honda emblems. We're gonna put in the HFP floor mats in just a little bit. This is how it looks in the front. And honestly, for under 100 bucks, everything looks pretty good so far. Next thing's the carbon fiber door handles. This will be in the description also. Basically just goes right on top of here. On back of these, there's gonna basically be 3M tape or, you know, makeshift 3M tape. Link will be in the description for these. Basically just stick these on as soon as you get the correct fitment. Get this all off before, so it's fine. Get this on. And again, most important part with these is preparation. And once you put this on, you want to hold it as long as possible because the tape is adhering to the car. So, and damn, that looks good so far. Probably a way more professional way to do this, but this is the Petrol Juice way. We do things nice and simple here. We don't make life complicated. And there we go. That looks pretty good for a pretty cheap price.